I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
What's up, you guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty
What's up, guys?
here at Wrapsesh. This week we are revealing one of my favorite projects this year.
It's pretty cool.
It's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm excited about it. It's a
nerd.
Veloster,
Yeah.
okay? And we're super into ancient aliens right now and Egyptian conspiracy.
I like the pyramids.
I'm all about it. I love the pyramids, all the Egyptian
I really
stuff.
want to go to Egypt.
Take me there. It's your job.
Ow! Jeez.
Sensitive nippy?
Yeah, you poked me.
Back to the storyline. So this is called the Pharoester,
The Pharoester.
aka the evil Egyptian Veloster. This was an amazing custom printed car wrap that we made with Glarb Designs, our homie.
Glarbins.
Glarb and Sauce. So we custom created this design with Glarb Designs from Florida.
Yeah.
And basically he hand illustrated an evil Anubis on one side,
Yeah.
which was like a red gold color scheme.
It was super cool.
Super evil.
Yeah.
And then the other side was like a blue silver color scheme, and it was
Like a more of a pharaoh kind of. Horus? Yeah.
Horus, he's like
I think
the
it was a
falcon
Horus.
or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, really cool. And then the front of the hood featured it was like a evil.
Like a pharaoh. Yeah.
Really, really cool with
was
wings
dope.
around it. It was awesome. And then we also had him custom create an Egyptian themed Wrapsesh logo. Because you know
Yeah,
our
that was
logo.
cool.
Do we have our logo anywhere? Well, it's like
No.
white and red.
Well, yeah,
and
they
it's
know the
you know,
logo.
It's the shark mouth the thing. And I just didn't want it to clash with this whole Egyptian thing, so we had him make a really
An
cool
Egyptian style.
It's like an all-seeing eye or something,
Yeah,
and it's got Wrapsesh in it. It's freaking awesome.
Pretty dope. We also printed it on silver metallic, so it has a lot of nice
So nice.
Yeah, it's got a little sparkle to it, and actually made the gold a lot more gold.
Yeah,
so
but not so much yellow, but
Yeah.
gold. So we printed it on an Avery SW900 Matte Metallic Silver. And we did that with our Mutoh 1624X Rapper's Choice Eco Solvent printer.
Oh yeah.
And then we basically let that sit and cure for 24 to 48 hours, and then we laminated it with a gloss.
Yep.
So it had a really nice metallic depth to it, just looked really beautiful and had a lot of depth
Yeah.
and really nice colors.
Don't forget the tail lights.
Ooh, okay. So we did these really, really cool tail lights.
Probably the coolest tail lights
Guys, see,
ever.
I'm so nerded out about this car. We worked with Luxe Auto Concepts. We use a lot of their different taillights, taillight tints. We also did an episode on it a while back.
Yeah.
They have really amazing printed tints, textured carbon fiber, brushed steel, rainbow sparkle, all these different
All
things.
kinds of different films, yeah.
And we worked with them, and actually they produced a custom taillight tint print, and it
With
has
hieroglyphs.
Egyptian hieroglyphs
all over it.
printed in gold.
Yeah.
On a black tint.
It was so cool.
And this is like a cast, lace-like vinyl tint film. It's so, so nice to work with.
Oh yeah.
So they sent that over to us. Once again, that's Luxe Auto Concepts, and we installed that on the rear tail lights, the little markers, the third brake light,
And little brow on the
the
headlights.
little brow on the headlights.
Yeah.
So that really took the design over the top.
Well, and then we put hieroglyphs everywhere where there was.
I took it overboard.
Yeah, we can't.
I just kept adding on the last day. I was like, we need this, we need this. And so then we used gold brushed metal from Avery as well as silver
brush
metal.
to give it that bling bling
And
look,
we cut a bunch of hieroglyphs and put those all over his aftermarket
the rockers.
and the front lip.
Yeah.
It was all over the place on the windows, and it looked so cool. It was
He actually won a trophy
Oh.
the first day that he had the car.
Back up. So we finished the car at 10 p.m. on a Saturday night.
Yeah.
He takes it to Import Face Off, which is
The
a really
next
big
day.
show we have down here the next day, and he won
Best
it was
finish.
Best finish.
Right?
So
Best paint
or
finish.
wrap.
Yeah, paint or wrap.
So best finish in under 24 hours. He took home a huge trophy.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Super, super awesome. If you
Yeah.
guys want to follow the car, he does amazing photos of it, and it's just starting to leak out now. His Instagram is slow, SLOOW_turbo.
Turbo.
And that's a Veloster. That's gonna be the Evil Egyptian Veloster.
Yeah.
How does it go?
You heard it.
You say it.
You heard it.
No, that's why I'm asking.
I'm just kidding.
Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Only problem is I love you. Cause the problem is I love you. Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me down, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? Cause the problem is I love you.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week. We love you to the moon and back. To Egypt
That's a
and back.
long ways.
All
Yeah.
the way to Egypt.
Yeah.
Somebody take me to Egypt.
I want to go to Egypt.
Oh, it's so bad. Anyways, if you want to check out our daily fun, make sure to hit up our Facebook and Instagram, Fun of Vixen Wraps and Wrapsesh AZ. Please make sure to follow up with our YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you dig the Wrapsesh vibe, see you next week.
Cause the problem is I love you.
So, dance
Sure. Yeah, the
to
thing.
cross and back.
You can do that, and I'll do this.
I don't think
You do this?
Egyptian.
Yeah, you gotta go like, yeah, this is
This
Egyptian.
like Bollywood.
La, 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 la.
That's not Egyptian.
I don't know. Do the things. And go back.
Twice?
And then we go this way. Yeah. Well, no, you go. Okay, start. And you
Hold on,
go
So like, make sure
this
to
way.
like, comment, and subscribe.
this way. It's okay. The worse it looks, the better it is.
Okay, it's true.
Dance or the chicken dance.
What did I say about doing that around my face?
It wasn't in your face. It was
Why
that.
do I smell it?
Because I just had coffee.
No.
It smells like coffee. You love coffee.
Cause the problem is I love you.